Welcome back and continuing the news. Grief gripped relatives and the Ocho Rios High School family today after the tragic death of a 16-year-old student. The student died yesterday at the hands of another teenager from the school. Now, our reporter Kirk Wright was at the St. Anne-based school on Thursday and filed this report.
Anguish for the parents of Devonay Shearer. Both are struggling to accept that their child is dead. His stepmother laid out his uniform he wore to school yesterday, now stained with blood. Yesterday in class, during break time, another 10th grade student allegedly struck him in the head with a metal chair, leaving him unconscious. His stepmother went to see him in hospital.
When you went and saw him yesterday, what was his condition?
Not good. Not good at all, may I tell you, not good, not good.
Hours later, Devani was pronounced dead. Reports are that the two boys had a confrontation on Tuesday in the town of Ocho Rios, and it seemed that spilled over into yesterday's attack.
I would send him to the ATM machine, and he went to the one by Champion. And the guy saw him there, grabbed him and started to fight him. Devani defend himself. Because he might fight him over one girl that Devani no want. Because Devani no depend that.
Devani was a student at another high school in Hanover, but felt he needed a change.
When he attended class, he wasn't getting the work done, because he said when he go to school, teacher is not there. Teacher hasn't come to class or anything like that. So he was saying, Mommy, I want to go to Ocho High because I'll get the best teaching there. And he came, and it was good for him.
Devonay's father says he was encouraged by his son's progress at Ocho Rios High, and that he was focused on helping his mother.
Everything in the world. In just plan to make life help him mother and his sister, take him out of the gutter and bring him to life. And him to live like country part of life. In plan to when he get big and get left school, the first work he get, he try to help him mother and his sister, bring them out of life.
Now, it's at this premises here on Tay Street in Buckfield where Devani spent many years living with his father and his stepmother. And while his death has dealt a serious blow to his school community, it's left a gaping hole here in the Buckfield community. Now, many of whom we spoke with about Devani described him as resourceful and a kind boy who loved to help.
Devani, he was such a good child. One who would never pass without good morning. If you see him 100 times, you get 100 good morning. Very manners of a child. Who would from school to home.
The news of Devonay's death caused panic and worry among parents who turned up at the school this morning.
It made my heart start beat so fast, because knowing me have my child coming to the school is like, that's why I have to be here this morning, because even though I don't know the person who died, but my concern is very into what's going on, you know, because as I said, my daughter is here, and I don't want for their work or the woman here say, nothing do my daughter, nobody do my daughter. I try for warn her every day, tell her if you stay out of problem, no company, no friend, just focus on your schoolwork. Yeah.
The Minister of Education, Senator Dana Morris-Dixon, and Member of Parliament for North East and Matthew Samuda visited the school and promised help.
Anything you need in the coming months, because I know that you're not going to just see the manifestations of the trauma and the pain right away. It can be months down the road.
Yes.
So whatever you need in the coming weeks, in the coming months, we're here to provide that for you.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.